Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious snowflake cookies. You will need a few ingredients: flour, Nutella, water, sugar, salt, and yeast. Start by taking a bowl and pouring in your water, followed by all of the dry ingredients. Mix everything together until you reach a soft but non-sticky consistency. The next step is to prepare your table by laying some oven paper and then spread a little bit of flour all over it so that when you move your paste, it won't stick to it. Next, spread the mixture as well as you can, making it as thin as possible. And now it's time to take your cookie cutter and cut out tons and tons of shapes. With this recipe, you should be able to get at least 20 of them, and each time your paste is all cut up, just mix it again and spread it on the table to use up all of it. At the end, you will have all of your pretty cookies ready to be cooked, but one important thing is missing. Take two shapes, put a bit of Nutella in the center of one, and then take the other one and cover the top. And now they are ready to cook. Leave them on a pan for 4 minutes on each side, making sure that it's on a low flame, and when they have been cooked properly, you can move them to a tray and sprinkle as much sugar as you want on top, and then they are ready.
Oh, fine. Hey, wait. Oh. Is this a ninja star?
No, it's for Christmas.
Throw it at you? Oh my gosh.
What?
I can't look at my finger.
There's a lot of sugar, okay? You have to bite it.
I actually took 2 bites in this one.
Wow.
That's a new record. Ta-da!
Chew it and swallow it. What do you think?
I give it 10 out of 9 potato.
Very good. I exceeded. That's really good. Okay, great.
Alright.
I like it. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.